Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Splitwise mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Splitwise is a great app for splitting bills and expenses with friends, family, or even roommates. So the first thing what we need to do is go to our Player App Store, search for Splitwise, and then go ahead and download and install Splitwise. Now after here, we want to go ahead and open it up, and you'll be taken to this page where we need to sign up, log in, or sign in with Google. So if you've got an account previously, go ahead and click on login, or if you've got an account with Google with Splitwise, click on sign in with Google, or you can click on sign up. But what I'll recommend, if you don't have an account with Splitwise, just go ahead and click on sign in with Google. It's going to be the quickest and fastest way to do this. So I'm going to choose my account. So that's essentially going to sign me up and log me in at the same time. Now, as you can see, they're going to give you a brief rundown of how to use Splitwise. And then after you do that, it will say allow Splitwise to send you notifications. So what we can do is click on allow or don't allow. I'm going to click allow from here. And now once we're inside here, we want to create a group. So in order to create a group, click on the top right hand corner where it's got a user icon plus a plus symbol. And then we can give this group a name. And I'm just going to call this Friends Close Friends Group. And then we got what type of group we want this, so we can have trip, couple, home, or other. I'm going to do this as other, and then click on done. And now once we've created the group, you will come to here inside of groups. So if I go back, you can see all your groups here. So this is the group I've just created, so close friends group. So I want to click into this. And now from here, I'm the only one inside this group inside Splitwise. So what we need to do is add some group members. So we've got two different ways to do this. We can click on add group members or share group link. So what we need to do is click on add group members. And from here it will say add a new contact to Splitwise. So go ahead and enter a name, email, or phone number. So for this demonstration, I'm going to add one of my other accounts. All right, this is just for demonstration purpose. I'm going to go ahead and click on done. And that's the email address. And I'm just going to call this Luke. And now from here, I'm going to click on the tick icon. And now we can add more names, emails, or phone numbers. So depending on how many people want in your group, just go ahead and add all the users into here, and you can see friends on Splitwise. And what's going to happen, they're going to get an invitation. So they should get an invitation once you add them on Splitwise. And they also need to have the Splitwise app installed on their phone to accept. So what I'm going to go back is go back. So from here, once you add the friend, you want to click on the orange arrow in the bottom right hand corner of the page, and then we need to verify contact info. So now this is when these people are notified you've added them to your group. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on finish. And then this pop-up might appear where it says upgrade to Splitwise Pro. So if you want unlimited expenses, currency conversions, attached images and PDF, you can go ahead and get Splitwise Pro. But to use Splitwise for free, you're just not going to have all the great features that comes with it. Alright, so I'm inside my other email here where it says tutorial is added you to the group close friends group on Splitwise. So I'm going to get this email, or your friends are going to get an email that looks like this once you've added them to Splitwise. And then what they need to do, they need to click on view now. And now if you want to see your friends, so when you added all your friends inside your group, go ahead and click on where it says close friends group, or whatever you've called your group. Just click onto that and you can see all the members inside of here by clicking on the plus. So you can see friends on Splitwise, so already in group. And now in order to settle up inside of this group, we need to click on settle up and then select the payer. So say for example, Luke is the payer and we need to record a payment. So we can do say $100. We can also, if you premium, you can attach an image if you like. And then from here, we need to click on the tick icon. So it says here, I've settled up $100. So I owe Luke $100. So now if I want to settle up, I can go ahead and click on settle up. And it will say I owe $100. And so if I paid him back, I can go ahead and click on the tick icon. And then it'll say, hooray, you're all settled up, etc., etc. And now if we want to add an expense to this group, so what we can do is click on add expense. We can give this a description. So for example, say dinner. We can say it was $75, and then below that it says paid by you and split equally. So we can click onto that, and we've got a couple of different options. So it can say you paid split equally, you are owed the full amount, or Luke paid split equally, or Luke is owed the full amount. So say for example, I paid and then split equally. So I'm going to choose that, and then I'm going to click on the tick icon, and then it'll say we'll have all your records here of all the different expenses are going to appear under these settle up charts balances. And now I've got to wait for my other account to pay me $37 because that said I've lent $37, and what they need to do is pay me back that money, and then they'll go ahead and click on settle up like so, and then they can say I have been settled up. And now moving on, so we can look at the friends tab at the bottom, so you can see all your friends, and in here you can see friends that owe you money as well. So the more friends you have, the more going on this page. And we can click on activity. This is all activity you've had inside Splitwise. And if we go to account, it's going to have all your account information here. And if you want to change your name, you can change your name by clicking on that pencil, and you can edit your full name here. You can even edit your email address if you like. You can add a phone number, change your password, etc. And then go ahead and click on save changes.